Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Monica and I'm an independent sales representative with Avon. And today I thought we'd do a little makeup on a Sunday. I'm not really doing anything today, so today is a great day to just play with makeup. So I think what I'm going to do is feature the FMG Glimmer Shadow, the liquid shadow in Crystal Lilac, which is this product right here, and show you how that goes on and what it looks like when it's applied. Now, earlier I had mentioned that I wanted to do this eye look right here, but you can't really see the eyeshadow, how it performs, because this is layered with a bunch of other eyeshadows. So we're not going to do that today, but we shall play with this color and see how pretty it is. I hope it comes off on camera. I've swatched it on my arm before, and it doesn't show all the pretty little crystal sparkles in it, but maybe this will look a little better. I don't know. We'll see. But anyways, I'm going to start with something I just recently discovered. I purchased this. This is the concealer, the FMG concealer, and I purchased it in. I'm not sure what color it is. Let's see. It is in something really light cool. So it's light cool, except it's way too dark for an under eye concealer. But one day I misplaced my MAC paint pot, and I decided to use this to cancel out any lines or redness around my eyes, and it worked great. So that's what I'm going to do today. And so if you can't use a product for one, purpose, use it for another. So I think it works really great to cancel out any redness or discoloration on your eye. So I thought that was really cool. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm actually going to then take a powder shadow. And you're probably thinking, why are you powdering your eye and then putting a liquid on top of it? Why not? So I'm just going to use this. That's how I just do my makeup. I don't think, I don't think it's any big deal putting a powder to just kind of set the concealer, is what I like to do. I don't think that will affect the liquid eyeshadow at all because I've done it before, so I know. All right, so next we're going to pull out a palette which you may or may not have. This is the FMG palette in neutral something. Let's see, which one is this one? This is in New Classics, and this came out holiday December 2023, and it was really pretty and it sold out really quick. It's really beautiful. I love it. And if you don't have this palette, you can certainly pick up this kind of color right here, which is going to go in my crease. It's sort of like a mushroomy brown. And that's what we're doing today. So I'm just going to go like that, pick that up, dust that off a little bit, and just pop that in the crease. Again, not really doing anything too special today. I'm just kind of hanging out at the house. It's a nice quiet Sunday, and the dogs are still sleeping away. So that is a joy. It's a joy to me if they're just kind of quiet, not barking. So it's a beautiful sunny day here with a light breeze in San Diego. So I definitely want to get out and do a little yard work. So I just kind of go back and forth talking about my boring day until I kind of like build what I think is, the amount of shadow that I want in my eye. And then I like to go in this little color right here and just sort of blend that out right here. And again, just hanging out at the house, so not doing anything. And then I might take this little pink color right here and just use that as a little brow highlight. This palette's really pretty. The only thing that I didn't like about it is that this is a full-on like glitter. It looks really pretty on the eyes, but it's super chunky, as is this one. But they look gorgeous on the eyes, but it's not good for everyday use. So I mean, this was a holiday palette, so. But what I like about it is that yes, it's a holiday palette, but you never know it was a holiday palette. So I mean, I'm still using it, so I'm still getting my money's worth out of it. So I liked that they did that for a holiday palette, instead of making it like a holiday theme palette, which is like, something with red and green, or making it into looking like a bow or a gift or something like that. They just did a plain old palette. And it's brilliant. I really like that. All right, next up, I am going to put this shadow on. So what I do is I do apply it to my eyes, and then I use my finger and I spread it out. I've tried it with a brush. The brush picks up too much of the liquid shadow and not any of the glitter, and then it sort of sweeps away the liquid shadow and leaves a bunch of glitter, and that's not pretty. That's not what you want. So I kind of, shake it down, make sure it's in the doe foot applicator, because a lot of times I store them like this, so it's probably best to store it like that. But anyways, let's put this on and see how pretty it is. It is just a stunning color. I absolutely love it. I think it's so pretty. And then I sort of just dot it a little bit because I don't want to pick up too much color. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love it. So pretty. These are pretty long lasting. Once they set down, they're just not going to go anywhere. And I also haven't found that the glitters get in my eyes. They just don't move around. So if you're a contact wearer, I think that these would be okay. So pretty. I mean, just gorgeous. Gorgeous for me going nowhere on a Sunday. It's perfect. I love it. It's gorgeous. All right, next I'm going to do a little outer corner. So I'm going to pick up my favorite palette, which is this one. Oops, which is this one right here. And I'm going to go with this darker purple shade. And I'm just going to fluff that in the outer corner. Makes it, gives it a little dimension. And I kind of like it. This is my favorite palette. It's one of the best ones they've done, I think. FMG. So just a little purple right there. Not too dark, but just a little bit that you can say that there's something hanging out on the side there. So there, that's done. See, nothing too difficult, really easy. And then I'm going to take the let's see, one of the liners. I don't know which one this is because I can't see it. I put them out so I could see them, and then I'm like, what color is that off the top of my head? This is the Black Ice in the Diamond eyeliner, so it will be a little sparkly. I was looking through all my liners, and I don't have any black liners. I don't know if I haven't ordered them or I've misplaced them. I'm dumbfounded at the fact that I don't have any black liners from Avon. So I think that I just have forgotten to order a bunch of them. Looks, I can see a little sparkle there. But again, not going anywhere, so I can be sparkly. That is okay by me. What do I need to do today? I need to clean my kitchen. Oh my goodness. My cooktop. If you came to my house and saw my cooktop, you'd be like, oh, girl, you need to clean that today. So I do really need to clean that today. And I'm not even doing any baking. No baking today. It's too warm. I wanted to make these hummingbird muffins because they're dairy free. But I just think it's just a little too warm to fire up the oven. And plus, my oven is not working all that well. It needs a new control panel. So, and that means that it's not regulating the temperature very well. So if I set it at 350, it may heat up to 300. I'm like, okay, that's annoying. I need 350. So you'll have to bump it up to, 375 to get to 350. It's just one of those things where, it's needs a new control panel. And I'm sure my husband will deal with that when he has the time. So eyeliner is on. For a bottom lash line, we are going to do, let's see, I think it's Purple Rain. It is the Diamond eyeliner in Purple Rain. Purple Rain. It's real pretty. This is pretty. That's nice. I like that a lot. This is a bruise. I remember whacking my hand on, I remember whacking this on something, And remember rubbing it, thinking, "Oh man, this is gonna leave a bruise." And I don't remember what I hit. Like I don't. Did I hit a corner? I have no recollection of what I hit to get this, but it's terrible. It's lightening up. It's looking actually better, but it's quite the nasty bruise. So just a little purple under the lash line. My preference is always liners over eyeshadow because eyeshadow has no staying power for me. I mean, it looks really nice and smudgy, but it just does not have any lasting power. It'll be gone and smudged all under my eye within an hour. So that just does not work for me. And I just like to give it a little spread out. Very purpley eye today, which I love. And then I'm going to take a little flat brush like this, and then I take either an eyeshadow or a powder or something, and just like this little guy. And then I dust right under it and hope that this doesn't move around very much. And just giving it something like a barrier. It's like, don't go anywhere, please. I did forget to mention I've done all my face makeup. Today I'm just wearing Revlon Color Stay for no particular reason other than that's what I grabbed. My color is, I'm not sure, hyaluronic acid, normal dry skin. Oh my goodness, I don't know what color this is. Oh, that's weird. If I find the color, I'll put it on. It's 200. I don't know what that is. Normally it's a beige color, natural beige, something like that. I like beige foundations. They work best for a person with a pink undertone, which is what I have. So eye look is almost done. I do need to do my lashes, but I'll do that off camera because I use a dryer to heat up my lash curler and it's a bit noisy. So we don't want to listen to that, but we will do a bit of this blush, which is in Blushing Nude. So when I do my eyes kind of like a purple, I like to do a lighter blush, and this one is absolutely beautiful. This Blushing Nude right here. Really pretty. So I take a e.l.f. stippling brush and I just kind of go like this. Or any brush will do. That's kind of a little stiffer. Flip this over so I can see what I'm doing. That's pretty. Yeah, I like the liquid shadows a lot. They can be fussy. So I do want to do more videos on the liquid shadows and so you can see, how they perform. And they are nice and they will last all day. But like I said, they can be fussy. Some of them have kind of a weird sparkle to them. I don't know. It's kind of a funny product. But when you find the ones you really like, they're good. They are really good. So just a light, kind of a light cheek, nothing too crazy. That's my word today. That's my word when I'm doing my makeup. It's nothing too crazy. No bronzer today, nothing like that. Like I said, just hanging at the house, not doing anything too spectacular. And yeah, so eyes are done and well, almost done. I'm going to go do my mascara, do something with my hair, and then I'll be right back. I am back. I just took off to go have some lunch, let the dogs out, and did something with my hair. So now I feel a little better. And I thought I would put on a little lip, even though I'm not going anywhere. It's all right. I have to put on a little lip. So I'm going to use the Mary Kay one that I just purchased from a fellow marketing friend. And this is the one that is the crystallized, really pretty plummy color. And I'm going to put that on just for fun. And this is a cream lipstick. So, and as I mentioned, the crystal doesn't transfer to your lips too much. I mean, a little bit, but not too much. I can see a few pieces like popping on there. Very, very, very pretty, but very reminiscent of Plum Blossom, which of course Avon sells Plum Blossom. So the colors are very similar, but this is really pretty. Yeah, it's really the same color, except this is a little prettier in the presentation. So also, I like to put on a little gloss. Avon doesn't sell this anymore, but it's a good product. But since this is a cream and not a gloss, I usually like to add a little bit of gloss. Mm, beautiful, so pretty. I love makeup. That's why I do my makeup. I don't need to do my makeup today. I mean, like I said, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going to probably see anybody today, but I just love doing my makeup. I feel really pretty and it was fun to do. I had mentioned to a customer that makeup to me is my art project for the day. So, this is my art project for the day. So, I'm going to be off to clean the kitchen. This does not sound like fun. But I do not have to do any meal prep today because I bought two things that are making my life so much easier. I finally decided to buy from the company called Just Meats, and they just, that's all it is, they just have, it's just meat. And they have different flavors of meat, and so I bought like a 6 pack, and I bought some chicken and some beef and I think one pork dish. But the other day I had the Texas brisket. It was good. It was really good. And that one tray of meat lasted me for 3 meals, and allowed the dogs to have little treats. So that was really good. And then recently I purchased a, what do they call it? A CSA box, which is, let me see, I wrote it down because I can't remember that. Can't quite remember what it's called. It is called the Community Supported Agriculture. And there is a farm, let's see, it's probably 30 or so minutes away from me in a town called Oceanside. And it's run by a Japanese family. And they do vegetable and fruit boxes. So I, I bought one of those. I had bought one of those fruit boxes in 2021, and I was very excited to get it. And then I bought it during the week, and then that weekend I came down with COVID, and I was sick as a dog. And unfortunately, I never got to eat any of those vegetables. I had to throw them all away. They just kind of rotted in the fridge. I was so sick, but luckily got over that. And but I've kind of had that little hesitation to buy the box again. Um, I don't want to say it left a bad taste in my mouth because it wasn't, it wasn't the fault of the fruit and vegetable box, but just that kind of mindset that I bought something that I couldn't use. I don't know. It just kind of has that crazy mindset. But anyways, no big deal. I ended up buying the box. I love the box. I don't know why I hesitated. Sometimes we get in that, like I said, that little mindset, and I'm really happy that I bought the box. They had some delicious cherries, nectarines, oranges, lettuce, cauliflower. What else was really? Oh, two gorgeous ears of corn. I mean, just fabulous, fabulous box. So I'm eating through that. They do a box every week, and I was just looking at this week's box. I'm like, oh, I really want to get that box, but I need to eat my vegetables before I order another box. But I can always order another box, so no big deal. So no meal prep for me this week. Maybe I'll do some boiled eggs, but that's probably about it. And yeah, I'm off to clean my kitchen. I got to get it done. I'm going to do it right now too. I'm not going to. I can get stuck watching YouTube videos. Oh my goodness, I can watch YouTube video after YouTube video. I mean, it's just there's so much good content out there that I love to watch it. But anyways, I'm going right now. Okay, see you later, and hope you like the eye look. Bye.